The cruel snake charmer. A snake charmer made a living by roaming around the village, amusing the crowds with his pets and their tricks. But the snake charmer was cruel. One night he thrashed the monkey. Next morning, the snake charmer saw that the monkey had run away. But he did not feel bad. He continued with his shows. However, he noticed that the crowds grew smaller since the monkey was not around. So he went in search of the monkey. After a long time, he found the monkey sitting on a mango tree. He said, "Dear monkey, come back to me. Let's go back home." The monkey said, "Go away. I know you have come looking for me because the people want to see my tricks and you want to earn more money." The snake charmer went back home alone, but he had learnt the lesson that animals are also worthy of love and respect. The Stag's Friends. Once there was a stag. He lived in the jungle. He was a lovable creature, and all his friends and family loved him a lot. One day, the stag fell ill. Before his condition could worsen, he moved to a safe place away from predators. The place was full of green grass. The stag's condition got worse. He could not even stand up to graze. He lay down with his head on the ground, eating whatever grass grew near his mouth. When the stag's friends came to know that he was sick, they visited him and wished him well. But they would also eat some grass before they left. Over time, as the stag lay there sick and weak, the meadow that was once green grew barren and empty. Soon the stag died because of the insensitivity of his friends who put their needs first without thinking of his health. The Wise Wild Boar. There was a wild boar. He was old and wise. One day, while looking for food, he stopped near a tree and began sharpening his tusk against its trunk. A monkey was sitting on a branch of the same tree. The monkey thought, "What a silly creature! Look at him, preparing for battle when there is no sign of danger." The boar continued to sharpen his tusk. The monkey could not stay quiet any longer. He asked, "Why are you sharpening your tusk? Don't you see we are safe? There is no sign of a ferocious animal or hunter. Don't you think it's useless to get ready for battle when no danger in sight?" The boar said, "My friend, don't you know it's too late to sharpen the sword when the war trumpet blows? Danger arrives without notice, and when it does arrive, I may have other things on my mind." The Raven who tried to be white. Once there was a raven. While flying around the forest one day, he saw a lake. There were swans in it. He was fascinated by the graceful swans. The raven looked at himself and said, "I am black as coal, and the swans are white as snow. Maybe I can become like them if I live in the lake instead of trees. The raven began living near the lake and washed himself again and again. He tried to copy the swans, but he remained black. At last, he said to the swans, I came to live in this lake so that I might become like you, but I am still black. A wise swan replied, Friend, merely changing your place of stay will not change your nature. Beauty comes from within. You are beautiful as you are. The Creator has made us this way. The raven thanked the swan and flew away.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.